Hello everyone! My name is Sinoroso, the director and the authorized dealer of Salad Master here in the islands of Singapore. As we celebrate this special time of the year, we at Saso Health just want to take a moment to send you our warmest wishes. Christmas is a season of love, of joy and togetherness, and I hope you are surrounded by the people who mean the most to you. Let's take a moment to reflect on the blessings of the past year and we look forward to the new adventures ahead. May your holiday season be filled with laughter, good cheer, great holiday home-cooked meals, and lots of wonderful memories. Thank you for bringing Salad Master Healthy Cooking System in your wonderful home. Thank you for being part of our life, our journey. Whether you are near or far from Singapore, you are always in our hearts. Wishing you and your loved ones a magical Christmas and a bright, beautiful New Year. Take care, stay warm, and have an amazing holiday.